Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about Natwest Group PLC, and the way the chart pattern has formed is indeed very interesting because not only the share price has reached towards its 9,000 lows, but the risk reward ratio is going to be very profitable if it indeed turns out in the investor's favor. Also, because it's a banking institution, so the kind of liquidity sloshing around inside the system is very prominent. Okay, so there are twin benefits. I'm not talking about the economy. Maybe for the economy it's a different thing, but for a bank it's a very good thing. Okay, so because banks has means and ways to generate money. Also, if you look at the share price, it can indeed be a profitable trade or an investment. Either you can consider it for short term, medium term or long term. Okay, so let's just deep dive into the chart and let us see how the stock price has shaped up for Natwest Group PLC. And by the way, I'm looking at the stock which is listed into the London Stock Exchange, so listed in UK, not in US. So if you look at the chart has kept on going down since 2007 till 2009, and then it had a sharp jump on the upside and continuously sliding down since 2010. So from past 10 years it is dwindling on the downside. Also, if you look at the chart, now the chart has reached to a level which was the previous low of 2008-9. So if you look at this level 103, from where the share price has moved previously 10-11 years back, and currently it is forming the base, is indeed very important. Because if the share price goes down below 103, then it will be a problem. Then we don't know where the next support be. Okay, so in terms of risk reward perspective, if you are taking a trade either for a short term or a long term or investment, while considering share price, then your immediate support will be at 103, and if you can check out the current price which is at 114, so it's very much near to its support level. Okay, now the next resistance, because you have only one prominent support below which the trade we are going to wind up the trade. Okay, and on the upside your first resistance will be 179, or your first target. So you can consider the target for short term, intermediate term or for long term. After 179, the next target will be at 308, then 420, and finally your high of 2010 582. So I'm not going to speak beyond 582 because it's a very strong resistance, and to reach 582 the stock need to go up by 450 odd percent. So it's indeed a very big task, okay, for a stock to move up 400-500 odd percent. We are going to review the chart once again after it. So the thing here to understand is we are not going to go beyond 582. Once the stock cross and sustain our 582, 583, then we are going to review it again, because this is indeed a very strong resistance, and afterwards we have to check what could the next share price probably be. And let's just understand one more thing here. If you look at this trend since 2000 till now, so this is completely a flat kind of pattern, a consolidated pattern in with a flat range. So it has an upside and it has a fixed downside. in a flat kind of chart pattern, you should not put your trade beyond a certain limit. So you can, if the share price is inside that consolidated chart pattern, so your upper side of the range and the lower side of the range will be fixed. So once the share price crossed that particular range, either on the upside or on the downside, then only we are going to take any position, not by ourselves. So that is the nature of flat or consolidated chart pattern if it is for long term. So let's just understand that thing. And in terms of risk reward, you can see that the stock is trading at the lower end of the range, and if it indeed uh, turns out in your favor, so there is a chance that for in long term, because I generally look for long term, and this suggests that it will take some time to reach 450 odd percent. It's going to be a good profitable trade over a period of time, but our trade will close down below 103. And do not mix any kind of emotion while taking any trade, while putting your money. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel for this. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.